Welcome back to this YouTube channel. I just want to take you on a short tutorial journey on how to create PowerPoint using ChatGPT and the online version of Microsoft 365. So let's just dive into it straight up. So right now, whatever you want to preset on in your presentation, if you are a student or you are kind of person that do talk, that give talks, that this tutorial is going to be very important. It's going to be very helpful for you. So whatever topic you want to talk about, just type it into the column, into this column, this message column. Okay, so for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to talk about I will tell ChatGPT to create 10 slides on drunk elephant. Drunk elephant is a trending beauty product right now. So create 10 slides on drunk elephant. I'm going to send it right now. So ChatGPT is writing it already. All right. So create 10 slides on drunk elephants. So right now I think it's done. So I will copy. The next thing is to copy all the information. So once you copy, just go open a new tab. So in your new tab, go to word.new. But if you have the free version, or if you have paid for the this Word 365, you might not need to come online. You will need to come online because we need the free version of it for the purpose of this tutorial. So come to word.new, then click enter. So it's going to take you to the online version of Microsoft 365. Okay, so here we are. Just paste what you copied. Okay, paste it here by clicking Ctrl V. So once you've pasted what we copied, I think it is important to it is important that these slides are numbered, because if they are not numbered, it might be difficult for this particular place we are to transform them into slides. So let's assume that the first one is going to be introduction. Okay, you can say slide 1, then slide 2. Sometimes when you are copying it from ChatGPT, they would have been arranged in this way. Well, I don't just know what happened right now that it's not arranged in that format, but nonetheless, that's just a small thing. Okay, so just do the dressing. Let me call it dressing. Okay, so when you are writing whatever you want to write into ChatGPT, don't forget to be specific so that ChatGPT doesn't give you general information. Okay, so for instance, I typed in drunk elephant. I might want to be more specific by saying the body lotion. Okay, so if you want to present anything, make sure you are very specific. So I'm almost done with this so-called dressing. Okay, so here we are. So just go look for file. Once you've seen file, look for exports, then click export to PowerPoint presentation. It's going to export all your information to PowerPoint presentation. So right now it's coming up with the magic. So the first thing it's going to show you is the theme, or the front page, the back cover of your slide. So if you like, you can look for better option, because many options will be given to you, and you can as well click see more themes. Okay, so let me go for this. then click export. Then yeah, our presentation is ready. Now let's open it. So this is how to create presentation within the space of 3 minutes. You are done. And right here, this is our front cover. Like I said, you can decide to change it. If you still don't like this, you can still change it. Just double click it, then look for the one you like. Then you can edit if the information you are given is not good enough for you. You can edit it. So if you want to edit, just click this one. Once you have clicked, or okay, you can just do it here. Once you have clicked, just come here and you see editing. You can edit anyone you want. Okay, you can also come to this place to do further adjustments to your slides. Okay, so also you can come to this place and do further adjustments to your slides. Okay, so guys, I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please, if you are yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe. I'm gonna see you in next video. Wishing you happy new month. Bye bye.